In a world grappling with environmental challenges, many of us are seeking ways to make a positive impact. Today, we invite you on a transformative journey as we explore how to turn your home from wasteful to wonderful, all while embracing an eco-friendly lifestyle. Welcome to From Wasteful to Wonderful: How to Create an Eco-Friendly Home Today. In this video, we'll show you practical and innovative ways to reduce waste, conserve energy, and create a sustainable living space that benefits both you and the planet. Our journey begins with waste reduction. Did you know that the average household produces a staggering amount of waste each year? But fear not, we have simple yet effective solutions to help you minimize waste and make a difference. Cut to a person sorting recyclables. Step 1. Recycling. Learn the do's and don'ts of recycling and discover creative ways to repurpose everyday items. From upcycling furniture to turning glass jars into stylish decorations, recycling can be both fun and rewarding. Step 2. Embracing reusables. Say goodbye to single-use plastics and hello to sustainable alternatives. We'll introduce you to eco-friendly products like reusable water bottles, shopping bags, and food containers, making it easy to reduce waste in your daily life. Now, let's focus on energy conservation. Our homes consume vast amounts of energy, but with a few simple changes, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. Step 3. Efficient lighting. We'll guide you through the world of LED bulbs and explain how they use up to 80% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. Not only will you save money on your electricity bill, but you'll also help combat climate change. Step 4. Harnessing the power of the sun. Solar energy is a clean and renewable source of power. And finally, Step 5. Composting. Instead of sending your food scraps to the landfill, why not transform them into nutrient-rich soil for your garden? We'll teach you the basics of composting and help you get started on this rewarding eco-friendly practice in another video. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully turned your home from wasteful to wonderful. But remember, this journey doesn't end here. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and inspiring others to join the movement towards a greener future. Together, we can create a sustainable world, starting with our own homes. Join us in our mission to make a difference, one eco-friendly step at a time. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future episodes. Thanks for watching.